boring Blinkit bag? In few minutes, it's going to be unrecognizable. And no, I'm not joking. Hi, hi, hi. I'm Pranali and today I'm going to turn this boring Blinkit bag into something so exciting that will really blow your mind. Stay till the end because I'm revealing it only once. First thing first, take a scissor and it's a haircut time for this boring blanket bag. I will remove the unnecessary part which I don't want. It's like decluttering of my wardrobe. But this time I won't. Okay. Take a piece of cardboard which is waste cardboard and you can stick this blanket bag on this cardboard with the help of any glue. Okay, besties, now comes my favorite part, mixing the colors. This always takes me back to the childhood. This is my favorite part. When I would accidentally mix all my paints together and wonder why only got a dull brown. Please tell me I'm not the only one who has done that. So today I'm going to be a little smarter. I'm thinking let's go for a bright pop of orange and a fresh minty green to match the vibe of our DIY. But wait, if you had to make a blanket bag into a stylish decor piece, what colors would you pick? Drop your answers in the comments. I might even recreate one of your combos next time. And here's the fun part, mixing color is just the mixing modes. If I'm feeling happy, I go bold and bright. If I'm calm, I go pastel. So, guys, guess my mood today. Watch till the end to see if you're right because the final result might just surprise you. Till then, enjoy this music. Okay, besties, this is my favorite part. The coloring is always my favorite part. The moment when a boring object starts to tell a story. My tip, mix colors fearlessly, mistakes makes it unique. Okay, maybe don't spill color everywhere like just I did. As we have used cardboard here, so to make it waterproof I am using the sellotape to cover it completely and it will not get damaged. Hello. Now the transformation moment. Trust me, this piece is super beautiful. Just trust me, it's worth the mess on my table. Are you ready? One, two, and three. Have you noticed? I can do magic also. Would you like me to try another magic? From grocery delivery bag to a unique masterpiece game. This is a snake and ladder game. So this is so beautiful. Would you have guessed it that it is made from Blinkit bag? Although I touched this because I want to keep myself reminder that I have made this from Blinkit. And anyways, we can hang it on the wall as well. If you love this glow up, hit subscribe right now because in next week I'm going to make even more crazier thing which you don't have to miss that reveal. So I'm signing off. So stay tuned. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me. I have given my Instagram page username is here and the link is also in the description. So bye bye.